Welcome to another microbim fire tool video. In this video, we'll cover the CAD to Revit tool. Let's get started. Within our Revit file, we need to navigate our way to the level that corresponds to the CAD file that we're importing into Revit. Select the Link CAD button and map to where our file is located. Ensure that the import units are correct and that the placing at level is correct. Select Open. Once the CAD file has been imported, navigate to the Microbim Fire tool ribbon, select CAD to Revit, and from here, like many other Microbim Fire tools, we're prompted in the bottom left hand corner the first direction of what to do. In this case, it's select the main line. So zooming in, this magenta line is our main. Select, and again, the prompt in the bottom left hand corner, select range line. Once we nominate what lines are mains and ranges, this window appears. From here, we can select the pipe type that we want to use in the conversion. We nominate whether the pipe diameter is represented as an Autocad block, Autocad text, or we can fix the diameter ourselves. Then we also nominate whether the pipe height is registered as a block, or we fix the height across the network. And we nominate what type of system we want our system to be once connected. The second portion of the window is a list of all the different blocks that have been picked up from our CAD file. From here, we map what these block types are and what we want Revit to turn those block types into in the 3D conversion. We can see what each of these blocks are using the Show Block button. Selecting one of these blocks, selecting the Show Block button, we can see that this is the block here. We can select the Show Block button multiple times to verify that the block is correct. The second column is a list of categories that we can assign to each block to tell it what it is. From here, we run through the list of blocks created and mapping them to what they are. For example, this random block name is an upright exposed sprinkler. So we nominate in the block type that it's a sprinkler exposed, and in the family symbol column we have a list of all the different types of sprinklers within our pipe network, and we nominate this from the list of families that are in our model. Scrolling through, we find our exposed upright sprinkler. And we continue to do that for all of our sprinklers and all of our valves and other blocks within our list. After we've mapped all of the blocks, we select the Start Modeling button. And we can see that with the Microbim Fire tool, we've converted lines and sprinklers into 3D elements and pipes. After creating the modeling for our conversion, we need to make sure that we review it in the 3D space. We can see here that our sprinklers and pipe work has been created correctly. From here, we can connect all of our pipes and sprinklers together using the Auto Connector button within the Auto Design ribbon. You can refer to the Auto Design video for how specifically to connect different things in different ways. Once this window appears, we select the options that we want to connect everything. We select OK, select all of our elements, and click Finish. This will automatically connect our sprinklers and pipe together as prompted and directed by the pipe type that we selected at the start of the tool. After the auto connector tool has completed, we can zoom in and review that our taps, sprinklers and pipe have been connected together correctly. From here we can use the rest of the microbin fire tools to adjust our connections, to make changes, and to continue our coordination, fabrication and documentation of our piping system.